Equivalent Fractions minus 5-minute lesson script. Hello everyone, welcome back to our math lesson. Today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what equivalent fractions are, find equivalent fractions, check whether two fractions are equivalent. Let's begin. What is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. For example, if we cut a pizza into 2 equal pieces and eat one piece, we have eaten 1/2 of the pizza. The top number is called the numerator. It tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value, even though they look different. For example, 1/2 equals to quarters equals 3/6 equals 4/8. These fractions all represent the same amount 1/2. Imagine cutting the same pizza into different numbers of equal pieces. If the pizza is cut into 2 pieces and you take 1 piece, you have 1/2. If the same pizza is cut into 4 pieces and you take 2 pieces, you still have the same amount. The number of pieces changes, but the amount of pizza does not. How do we find equivalent fractions? The rule is simple. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let's try some examples. Example 1. 1/3. Multiply both numbers by 2. 1 2 equals 2. 3 2 equals 6. So, 1/3 equals to 6ths. Example 2. 2/5. Multiply both numbers by 3. 2 3 equals 6. 5 3 equals 15. So, 2/5 equals 6/15. Remember, always multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Can we divide? Yes. Suppose we have 8/12. Both 8 and 12 can be divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So, 8/12 equals to thirds. This is called simplifying a fraction. Let's practice. Question 1. Find an equivalent fraction for 3/4. Multiply both numbers by 2. 3 2 equals 6. 4 2 equals 8. Answer. 3/4 equals 6/8. Question 2. Find an equivalent fraction for 5/6. Multiply both numbers by 2. 5 2 equals 10. 6 2 equals 12. Answer. 5/6 equals 10/12. Quick quiz. Can you answer these? 1. Is 2/4 equal to 1/2? 2. Is 3/9 equal to 1/3? 3. Find one equivalent fraction for 4/7. Pause the video and try them yourself. Summary. Today we learned that equivalent fractions have the same value. Multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Equivalent fractions may look different, but they represent the same part of a whole. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next math lesson.